Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to find the limit. So in this one, we can use about Theorem. So we know that the range of cosine that is from negative number 1 to positive number 1. So in this one, the range of cosine in here, that should be from negative number 1 to positive number 1. The next one, we multiply both sides by this one. Next, we put the limit for the both sides. So, about this one, we put number 8 gone here. And we got number 0. So, this one in here, we put number 8 gone here. And we got number 0. So, on the left, you got number 0. On the right, you got number 0. So, the limit of this one equals to number 0. And this is the final answer. That is the end. Thank you for watching.